Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Merry Witchmas by Petrell, Marie Ozbay, and Tess LaBelle, and illustrated by Sonya Abby. Please enjoy. Merry Witchmas. Ginger was like any other witch. She wore a pointy hat. She rode a magic broom. She owned a black cat. Boo! And she joked with the neighborhood ghost. Ha Ooh, run! But unlike all the other witches who were entirely exchanged by Halloween, Ginger loved Christmas too. She was spellbound by thoughts of a flying sleigh, a red-nosed reindeer, and bundles of toys. More than anything, Ginger wished for a visit from Santa Claus. So as soon as Halloween was over for Ginger, the magic of Christmas began. Strands of jack-o'-lantern lights brightened her home. Strings, stockings hovered over the mantel. The scent of gingerbread skeletons filled the air. Hot cocoa bubbled in her cauldron. And every Christmas season and throughout the year, Ginger worked to make it into Santa's nice list. She fed stray black cats and played hide and seek with neighborhood trolls. She glued and painted broken broomsticks and mantled hats for the elderly. She toured young witches and warlocks in spells. Snow flurries, fall Virgo. Still, even with Ginger's good deeds and endless Christmas cheer, she never got a single visit from Santa. Ginger refused to give up, demanded to make this year her most holly jolly Christmas yet. She got her own sparkly markers and glitter glue. Dear Santa, I live in the invisible forest. If you don't believe in witches, my house is invisible to see, but I believe in you. So please believe in me. Love, Ginger. P.S. I made you a map. P.P.S. I'm including some leftover Halloween candy. P.P.P.S. I could really use a new broom. My house. With a wave of her wand, The letter appeared in Santa's desk. Sweet prancers, Santa explained. What's this? Poof. Upon reading the letter, Santa picked up his nice list. Peppermint sticks. No witches named Ginger here, he said. He checked his naughty list. He checked it twice. Ginger's name was nowhere to be found. Santa was puzzled. He never believed in witches, so quite simply, he never looked for them on Christmas Eve.
Cassie just gave the call. What's the worst that's going to happen? You can change things up like this, and I don't think you have to play because there is no play. Mr. Down could probably yeah, shoot him down. I told him.
Could witches be real? He wondered, staring at the letter. I guess if millions of kids believe in me, then I could believe in witches. All through, he wasn't quite sure. As Santa was filling the letters away, he thought he saw the little hand drawing, which gave a wink. Santa chuckled and explained, "Oh, my jingo. Maybe witches are as real as Chris Kingo." On Christmas Eve, after Santa loaded up his sleigh, he kept one special package by his side. Flying through the night sky, Santa was exhausted, excited to see the haunted forest appearing right before his eyes, exactly where Ginger had directed him. The map in Santa's hand glowed just as he spied a twinkling house welcoming him to land.
That's a big deal. Yeah, I know, I just said that. Let me ask you a question. Whenever I get a call from Ohio, people want something like, they got a picture or a lot of times.
When the sleigh touched down, the faint jingles of bells woke Ginger. Santa, Ginger gasped. She tiptoed down the stairs and peeked around the corner. Catching Santa's eyes, Santa nodded and smiled. Santa, it's really you, explained Ginger. Indeed it is. And it's really you, Santa marveled. It sure took my jolly old self long enough to believe now. Go have a look under that tree. As Ginger unwrapped her very first Christmas present, she croaked with delight. Sweeper, creepers, a Christmas broom. I'd love to stay for milk and cookies, but there's no time to waste, declared Santa. The world is waiting for the both of us, said Ginger. Race you up the chimney.
They just don't think you have the chops for dramatic parts.
Kaboom! Up the chimney they rose. Soon Ginger soared among the stairs, leading Santa's sleigh while the witches watched in wonder below. "Well, Ginger," Santa said, "there's only one thing left to do. Would you like to do the honors?" Bursting with joy, Ginger called out, "Merry Witchmas to all, and to all a good night." Well, she finally got to meet Santa, huh? Her wish came true. She got to meet old Santa Claus. And Santa Claus got to meet her and believed in her. Wasn't that awesome? Oh, what did y'all think? Wasn't this a cute story? Well, people, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button for me. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one and take care, everybody.